Welcome. I'm Romar Wangko from grade 11 Amarsono, and this is my advocacy. Lack of adequate trash disposal knowledge is one of the community concerns that has a significant impact on the environment and the people. Improper waste disposal is the disposal of waste in a way that has a negative environmental implications. Pollution of soil, water, and air can occur as a result of inappropriate waste disposal and, of course, when either gets polluted with dangerous compounds, diseases such as cholera, dysentery, and leptospirosis are known to be spread through contaminated water and can cause serious health epidemics in populations. In order to avoid such situations, we must learn how to properly dispose of our garbage, beginning with our homes. Proper waste disposal and management can be done by applying 3 Rs: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reducing means lessening the amount of trash or garbage produced. For example, implementation of using paper bags in supermarket or bringing your own reusable bags to reduce the plastic waste. Reusing refers to using materials more than once, like using bottles as storage for liquid and solid items in the kitchen or a spot for planting. And recycling is a process of collecting and processing materials and turning them into new products. Plastic bottles can be used as a material for floral making and Christmas decorations. Proper waste disposal is beneficial to the environment. Without it, the land and its underlying resources are prone to contamination. Let's start the changes from ourselves. To create a change for the world, we should help each other to make the world a better place for all of us and for the generations to come.